Alright, good morning everyone from day 9 on board the Celebrity Infinity, and we're going to be kicking off our time in Crete today by getting straight into a shore excursion.
And we will drive through villages, and our first stop will be at a village. It's a small town, it's a large village called Archanes. We will have a short walking tour there in this village, and then by bus we will drive back to Heraklion, and we will have a short guided tour in the city center, so I can show you the highlights of this town. Actually, Crete, the whole country, the whole continent is having a very rich history. Imagine that Crete is an island that has been organized, inhabited since the 7th millennium BC. 9,000 years ago we started having the first organized settlements on the island.
Clay can be found everywhere in the world, but the local material, this Cretan clay, this is local material, is waterproof without having to glaze it. So we make the jars, we let them dry, we fire them in the kiln up to 1040 degrees Celsius, and after firing, they're ready to be used, they're waterproof. Greece is one of the countries suffering from a very serious birth rate problem. We are talking about 1.3 children.
So now we're driving towards Heraklion, towards the capital town of Crete, back to Heraklion, but not the same way. Totally different route. Actually, the old road, not the new one, the old road connecting Heraklion with these south suburbs. And this means that we're going to pass by Knossos, the highlight of this island.
Eat snails, but we cook them with their house, not like the French. And there are hundreds of recipes. We never cook them with butter, only with olive.
How do you know they're cooked?
There is a way to see. There is a way. You boil them for a few minutes, because unfortunately you have to boil them alive, so they die automatically, and then you fry them, cook them, hundreds of recipes. Now, as we're going to go on the right, on the shelves, look at this dry bread. You know, in the past there weren't any bakeries in the villages, so we were used to bake once a month, but the bread cannot be preserved. So the same quantity was cut in pieces, was placed back in the oven, low temperature, for hours and hours, so it dried out, and it can be preserved for months and months.
Alright, so that was the excursion. I'm not sure exactly what to make of it, to be honest. So essentially it was a 2-hour excursion because the last hour was free time to do what you want. Although you could actually stay longer because the place where the coach dropped you off was actually the place where the shuttle dropped you off. So you could stay all afternoon if you wanted. So I took my free time to head towards the sea. And I went to visit this beautiful place here, but there was actually a €2 entrance fee. Because I didn't expect to have any free time, I didn't take any money with me at all, so I wasn't able to go in. But I did get these nice shots of the outside. If that's something that you like looking at, I don't really know. See, I guess for the price, what the excursion was, it wasn't terrible. It was well organised in terms of celebrity, so when you go to the theatre at the meeting time, you're then given a sticker with a number on it, and this number basically corresponds to the number of the bus and the number of the group that you're with, and you basically stay within that group. Pretty standard excursion stuff. Yeah, it was a rather short one, so the afternoon is still young. We have some beautiful sunshine shining through that's really hard to say, that is. Beautiful sunshine shining through. So yeah, the weather is very sunny, which is good, and the afternoon is still young, so we've got time to go and enjoy some of that sun before we leave. So we'll go do that, and yeah, that's what I've got to say. I don't know why I said Angier, so let's go.
She didn't say to Missy, go do what you gotta. I mean, she was a good person, my sister, but she was...
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This is the captain of the Navy speaking to you from the Hospital. I would like to welcome you back on board the Celebrity Field, and I hope you will enjoy our stay in Heraklion, Crete. A wonderful historic port and such an amazing weather. Welcome. The days are passing by so fast, especially when we are having fun and marvelous weather. I've been so lucky with this amazing weather in the area. It's wonderful to see guests sunbathing still on the pool and enjoy our jacuzzi in the pool. I'm sure your friends back at home will be very jealous and will then with some time. The distance from Heraklion to Piraeus is 175 nautical miles, and we will travel at an average speed of 17 knots. The weather for tomorrow in Piraeus, where overnight stay is predicted to have cloudy skies and southerly winds gusting up to 22 knots. The air temperature will reach 16 Celsius or 61 Fahrenheit, and showing the bright, it is forecasted to have rain at 7 p.m. tomorrow evening. Port of Piraeus is the biggest commercial port in the eastern Mediterranean area. You see how for all Greek islands in the Aegean Sea. It's amazing to see the traffic going in and out every day. Now sit back, relax, enjoy the Sailaway, and here is the breathtaking girl, our cruise director, our wonderful captain.
Thank you so much, Captain Demetrius, for that warm-up welcome on board. Hope that you began to enjoy beautiful Heraklion as we do get ready to set sail. Wanted to draw your attention to a few of the highlights taking place in this evening's program. Now, in about half an hour's time, as we are clear of
Got it? Going on and turn, step, over, step, pull, step, drag, walk, walk, walk. All right, let's try to hold